Hey everyone, today I have some Born Pretty products. This one is a non-sticky extension gel. This is a product that you can mold with your hands and it has multiple uses. I already tried it on my daughter to apply full cover nail tips and so far so good. All these items arrived properly packaged and sealed. I just opened them beforehand. Next I have this beautiful silver glitter paint. It's mostly for nail art and I'm gonna be using it on today's video. This product is a rubber-based gel. It's good for building an apex and a structure and for filling uneven nails. And in today's video, I'm gonna use it to attach rhinestones. This next item is a jelly color. I'm gonna be using it on today's video, so you will see how beautiful it's gonna look. The brush is very nice. I managed to have a very nice and even application today. And last, I have an extension builder gel. I'm gonna be using it in the near future. Looks like it has a very nice consistency for building, so I'm looking forward to use this. These are the nails that I'm gonna be doing today. They came out really beautiful. And I'm starting with 2 coats of this beautiful jelly color. As you can see, the application is very easy and smooth. And it needs to be cured for 60 seconds each layer. I finished the application of the 2 coats for the jelly color, and right now I'm jumping into the nail art for today. And I'm gonna be using this beautiful silver glitter paint. This paint stays where you put it. It's not running at all, which is good. You don't have to rush. And once I'm done painting these half hearts, I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds and I will continue onto the rhinestone application. do this design, I start with bigger rhinestones on the upper part of the heart, and then I start getting a smaller rhinestones as I go closer to the bottom of the heart shape. When applying top coat, I avoid the rhinestones. I just go around it. Once I'm done with the top coat, I'm gonna apply cuticle oil. And this is the final result for today. I really like these nails. They look so beautiful. I love these products. For sure I'm gonna be using Born Pretty products in the future again. Thank you so much to everyone for being here and watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.